Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to spend some time with me. So, this is somewhat of a continuation of the video series on some ECCO products that we've had in the shop recently. So as you can tell, I have a clear dome ECCO it's the 5580. So it's the 5580. This is a blue configuration. This is another Reflex bar from ECCO. Now this mini bar uses a different style LED module than the micro bars that I shot yesterday. So also, as you can tell, I have this sitting up on a special no drill third brake light mounting bracket. So this mounting bracket is specific to the Ford F-150. This is for the 2015 through 2019. I'm sure it'll cover the 2020 as well. But for those of you that don't know the Ford trucks, the cabs are aluminum now, so the vacuum mounts just don't work any longer. So, or the magnetic vacuum mounts, I guess I should be more specific, don't work on those roofs anymore. You can't just slap a bar and go. So this is a perfect opportunity to mount any plethora of equipment. Obviously, you probably wouldn't want to put a full-size light bar on this bracket, although we just did one recently. Luckily it was a pretty light bar and it worked out pretty well. But I have a couple of these still left in stock. They're really easy. You pull the third brake light off, you bolt this in place, and then the third brake light kind of attaches to the back of this, and you just make sure you get your beacons or your mini bar mounted to the bracket before you throw it on. It's real simple install. Don't have to drill through the roof at all. You can even tuck and hide the wires in where the third brake light hole is. Really nice option. And as a matter of fact, I wanted to mention I have a couple of these left over from the job that we did. We did a whole fleet of F-150s, and I have a couple of these left over. So if anybody's interested, definitely give us a ring. Leave a comment down below. We'll figure something out. We can definitely get one of these out to you if it's something you're interested in. And just because it's the ECCO brand doesn't mean that you can't mount a wheeling bar on here. You can't mount a Phoenix bar on here. You definitely can. Obviously, the holes in the bracket up top where the light bar, the beacon goes, they're obviously positioned specific to the ECCO products, but, can always be modified. So with that out of the way, let's light this thing up. I want to see what you guys think about this color blue, because I'm not real sure about it. It's bright, but the depth of the blue I'm not real sure of. So let's see what you guys think. So what do you think? I'm not real sure. I don't really think it's it's a real deep blue. I guess I'm used to the deeper blue light bars. Also, I wanted to mention, as I did in the last video, I want to give a shout out to my daughter, Madison. She's my third grader, one of my twin third graders. She has a club in school that she started called the Kindness Club. And I told her that I would promote her hashtag. It's hashtag Be the Kind Kid. So, you know, I'm trying to get that to go viral, trying to get awareness out there about, you know, just being kind to one another. We have such a problem with bullying these days, and suicide rates. It's really something that we need to start paying attention to and doing something about it. And my young daughter has organized a group in her elementary school to do just that. Okay, so we're just going to go through some of these patterns, and we'll see what you guys think. Now, as I said in the video, the micro bar, this has the same LED count as that micro bar does. These mini bars are also syncable. So if you wanted to put 2 of these on an apparatus in the back, if you wanted to, you know, put these on a work truck, you definitely can synchronize them. Synchronization works the same as the micro bar. They use a phase A and a phase B, or group A and group B. So let me know what you guys think of the color down in the comments. To me, it's the blue in these ECCO mini bars for some reason it's a lighter blue. I don't know, maybe it's the newer generation diodes that they're using, you know, kind of like how the amber, the newer generation amber diodes, I guess being that they're brighter and they have a higher output, they don't have that orange glow to them. I guess it's more of a brighter, crisper amber color. Maybe it's the same thing with this blue. It just struck me as being sort of a teal color. I also will say I have this bar available too, locally and online. So if there is any volunteer firefighters, you know, around the area that are looking for a 360-degree rooftop light, this thing is pretty bright. It is a permanent mount, so it would come with hardware in a gasket. But if you have an F-150, you can also get the third brake light, no drill bracket. Perfect installation combo. So that's it for patterns. If you guys like this video and you want to see more like it, smash that thumbs up button for me. I appreciate every one of you guys. I consider all of you family. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any ideas on equipment that you want to see, put a comment down below. You have a question, a concern, anything about the bracket, about the light bar, about our company, about a halogen light, about a rotator, give us a ring. 412-708-6732. Based out of the Pittsburgh area, but we locally service the tri-state area. We have on-site installation available with our mobile unit. We do everything from POVs to off-road lighting to tow trucks,